Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can make slow motion video in your Honor smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, you have to click on camera and you have to swipe right, click on more, and here it is slow mo. Just click on it and make that one. You can see I have to just make it. Friends, you can see this slow motion video. I have created that one. You can see this is how you can make slow motion video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.